65 million years ago, reptiles roamed the entire world. Various dinosaur species dominated the land, sea, and sky. Today, while reptiles are smaller, we still have sizable anacondas and crocodiles globally. Remember the movie Anaconda? The massive snake in it may still give you chills. Nowadays, such enormous anacondas are rare in the Amazon rainforest. Yet, anacondas remain Earth's largest snakes. Surprisingly, in the past, an even bigger snake called Titanoboa existed. The fossils discovered of the colossal snake. Titanoboa transport us back to a period between 60 and 58 million years ago. Scientifically named Titanoboa cerrejonensis, this massive python species existed after the catastrophic meteorite collision that wiped out dinosaurs. Titanoboa pythons reigned as Earth's largest predators for around 10 million years. Based on uncovered evidence, these snakes measured a staggering 42 feet or approximately 12.8 meters. Twice the size of a typical giraffe. Weighing around 1,135 kilo, they are considered ancestors to today's boa constrictor snakes. Boa constrictors found in South American rainforests have an average length of 3 meters and weigh about 15 kilograms. To be precise, Titanoboa was about a quarter of the length of a python. Imagine how creatures in the past grew so large. The primary reason was the purity of nature. In those times, living beings naturally breathed in pure oxygen, and the atmosphere held a high oxygen content. This abundance of oxygen allowed animal systems to function optimally, and they had ample space to thrive. Unlike today, where space for animals is more limited, in the past, genes were naturally inclined to facilitate rapid growth. However, with the decrease in food supply after the ice ages, animals gradually started to become smaller. Fossil scientists unearthed Titanoboa fossils in a Colombian stone mine precisely in the Cerrejón area of La Guajira province. In 2009, 28 significant Titanoboa fossils, including a head, were discovered during excavations at this site. Initially, zoologists were puzzled by the head, mistaking it for that of a large turtle or tortoise. To their astonishment, they later realized it belonged to the largest snake species ever to inhabit Earth. Titanoboa primarily inhabited regions around Colombia, Brazil, and Panama. Their coloration is believed to mimic algae if the surroundings lack greenery, enabling them to stealthily approach prey without being detected. Zoologists assert that in terms of size and hunting capabilities, Titanoboa surpasses today's anacondas and large crocodile species. They emphasize that even the largest living anaconda is only half the size of the formidable Titanoboa. Titanoboas are thought to have preyed on animals like fish and crocodiles. This python species could devour a living hippopotamus in a single gulp. Found in rivers with dark green water, Titanoboa had 2 identified methods of attacking prey: constricting like common pythons or swallowing the prey whole. Research indicates that wrapping around an animal exerted a pressure equivalent to 28 kilos per square centimeter, approximately 400 pounds on a single square inch. Imagine the fate of a human if caught by such a powerful force. At a certain stage, when Titanoboa pythons reproduced, females emitted a hormone signaling readiness for childbirth. This led to competitions among males, with the strongest winning the chance to mate. The female selected a suitable mate, and after mating, it's noted that she would often kill the male. This behavior, according to zoologists, allowed the female to have a period of rest during pregnancy, as otherwise she might be troubled by the male. If Titanoboa existed today, it would likely have significant ecological impacts. Fortunately, this species vanished from the Earth before human evolution. If they coexisted with us, regions like the Amazon forest in Colombia, Brazil, Argentina, and Panama might be affected. Unlike anacondas, Titanoboas are believed to be formidable predators, preying on creatures like hippopotamuses, crocodiles, and river dolphins, native animals in the Amazon, including jaguars, deer, and beavers, along with indigenous tribes, could potentially become victims of these powerful snakes. The presence of Titanoboa in today's ecosystem would likely disrupt the balance and pose challenges for various species, including humans. Indeed, Titanoboa had a behavior pattern different from snakes today when it came to finding and attacking prey. Given their immense size, it's unlikely they would target small prey like humans. The extinction of Titanoboa remains uncertain, but scientists suggest that gradual changes in Earth's temperature and environmental factors favored smaller animals over larger ones. The transformation of large forests into grasslands may have led to a loss of suitable habitats for these colossal creatures. These factors are believed to contribute to the disappearance of Titanoboa from Earth. For those interested in seeing a complete model and fossils of Titanoboa, the Smithsonian National Museum in Washington, D.C., USA is the place to visit. There, you can witness the full form of this enormous species that once dominated the Earth.